Today we're going to take a look at 246 Laurel Bay Drive. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on this spectacular corner lot. Backs up to a pond. We are in the Prince Creek neighborhood of Laurel Bay. This is a gated community. It has a really nice community center, 2 pools, lots of amenities. Homeowners Association actually pays for this parcel on the corner. So you've got what is essentially land that you're not responsible to pay for. It gives you a good buffer zone and this beautiful landscaping. A really, really beautiful home. You've got a pond behind it. You've got another pond across the street here. This is just a really, really beautiful community. Nice space between the houses. The landscaping looks wonderful. Just really pretty all the way around. Got a really great, huge covered front porch here. It's a great place for rocking chairs or just to relax. Like this lady across the street's doing on her front porch and her rocking chairs. What a great yard. 2 ceiling fans out here. Let's take a look inside. So right off the bat, you walk into the foyer, you've got this huge open great room. Open floor plan. You've got 2 areas off to the sides that could be used for office space, living space. You could use as a formal dining room if you'd like. So lots of options. And then a really large living area here. I love the reverse tray ceiling fans, big windows. This is a split floor plan, so you've got the master bedroom off to one side and the guest bedrooms off to the other. I love the privacy that provides. You've got great LVP flooring here. I like the openness. I like the crown moldings. Let's take a look at the master bedroom and bath. You've got a huge master bedroom here. You've got a king-size bed with plenty of space around it. A tray ceiling with a ceiling fan. Again, it's really taking advantage of this huge corner lot. And this bay window looks right out onto the pond. Carpet looks brand new. Then you've got a great master bath here, and this has been redone since these owners purchased the home. Ceramic tile floor, comfort height countertops, nice big mirror. There's me, hi. Nice big mirror. You've got a separate door for the water closet. Big garden tub and a step-in shower. Look at all this tile that they put up. Nice glass doors. And then a big walk-in closet here. Really pretty master bath. So the living room flows right into the sunroom in the kitchen. There's a spot here that you could use as a formal dining room or as a breakfast nook. You've got a nice open kitchen here. Solid surface countertops. This looks like Corian to me. Lots of cabinet space. Nice pantry, and this flows right back into the living space. And like I said, you could use this area as a formal dining room or as a sitting room or as an office or a study, and then right back into the living room. This also flows into the laundry area, and there's a spot here for a washer and dryer. Got cabinets above it. And then lots of storage with not only a double car garage, but also pull downstairs, so there's more storage above in the attic above the garage. There's also a door over here that leads back out to the yard. But I love the fact that the kitchen looks out into the living room and the screen porch and into the sunroom and out to the pond. And this is where this house starts to get really interesting, are the views out back. So you've got this great sunroom, Carolina room that looks right back out on this beautiful backyard and pond. Nice storm doors, stamped concrete, screened in porch out back here. They've got shades up to give this some privacy and some shade. But look at this view. You've got this beautiful backyard and beautiful pond. You've got a patio area. You can keep a gas grill out here. Looking back over to the side yard. What a great spot. It's peaceful, it's quiet. You can come out and watch the ducks. Just an absolutely fantastic spot. All right, last but not least, we've got 2 guest bedrooms on this side of the home. There's a nice linen closet over here. You've got guest bedroom 1, ceiling fan. This one has a view of that same pond. Walk-in closet. Yes, there's another linen closet here. This is guest bedroom number 2, I guess, room number 3. This is a bigger guest bedroom here, ceiling fan, nice closet, really good sized rooms. And then you've got the guest bath here. And then there's me again. So this is a fantastic house, a gated community, close to the beach, close to shopping, close to everything, right here in a really neat neighborhood. Come check it out. For more information, give me a call. My name is Jay Bonnoitt with Century 21 Boling. All my contact information and more details of this home are right below in the YouTube comment section. Come take a look at this one before it's gone, because this is not going to be on the market long.